Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to hide your rank in Valorant. It is pretty much simple guys, it will not take a lot of your time. So, sometimes guys, you want to go inside a game. For example, let's say that you are a platinum, you are not bronze like I am, and let's say that you want to hide and sneak with some bronze players like me, and you didn't want them to know that you are a platinum player. So what you have to do in order to hide your act rank, so it is pretty much simple guys. First of all, you just have to hit up to play and then go to the top menu and click on your career. After that, you will see here your match history, your rank, your current rank, and here leaderboard, and here the act rank. Here is the previous rank, so there is Act 1, Act 2, Act 3, and so go on. You will find like too many acts. So basically, let's go to the last one, which is the previous one. Basically, this is the rank which will appear for other people. Not this one, I think. Yeah, this one. So this is the one that will appear for other people, guys. So in order for you to hide this, it is pretty much simple. You just have to go all the way down here and uncheck this. So after you uncheck that, if you go to play, and as you can see, it's no longer here. So people can't actually see it. And if you want to become more anonymous like me, for example, you notice that I don't have my XP level here. You just have to go to collection, player cards, and then over here you go to level borders, and you uncheck show my account level on my player card. Also, to make it more anonymous for others to know you, you just have to go here, settings, and then general. You head up to privacy and then hide my name from players outside my party. So just like so, nobody will know your level or ID or even your rank. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually hide your rank in Valorant. I give you some bunch of other informations. I hope you like them. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any other question, please leave them in the comment section down below, and see ya in the next tutorial.